Hello friends, today I am going to teach you wet on wet daisy rose. Those who are interested can join freehand painting and other courses online. As the roses are wet on wet, first I am applying water, then the colors. If you are painting this rose on cloth, then apply medium. I have taken fabric colors yellow, crimson and then maroon. You can use 6 or 8 number round brush. You see Aparna Arts channel for more techniques in painting. Now I am applying white. For strokes also I am using white. These roses look very beautiful on sarees, dresses and tops. I take online classes for variety of roses. If interested, you can join online classes. If you paint this design on good quality imported sheet, you can make a home decor. I have taken burnt sienna with flat brush number 4 for bamboo sticks. Now leaves, sap green and olive green. on painting birds. If you know freehand painting, you can create your designer design for sarees, dresses and tops, which will be very unique. This design is complete, it looks very beautiful. You can frame this and decorate your home. This is another variety of wet on wet roses. If you join roses course, you can learn variety of roses. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more variety of flowers. See you. Bye bye.